If you are comparing a Coursera AI learning path versus using ChatGPT to learn AI, this video will give you a clear answer. The Coursera AI versus ChatGPT learning path debate comes down to one thing: structure versus flexibility. Quick tip before we start. If you want a structured AI learning path with certificates, there is a link in the description that can give you a discount on Coursera Plus, which includes full AI programs and career-focused courses. Let's break this down. First, let's talk about learning AI with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is powerful because it is flexible. You can ask questions, get explanations instantly, and learn at your own pace. It is great for understanding concepts, solving problems, and getting quick help when you are stuck. But here's the problem. There is no structure. You are responsible for deciding what to learn, in what order, and how deep to go. Most beginners get stuck or overwhelmed because they do not know what comes next. Now let's look at the Coursera AI learning path. With Coursera, everything is structured for you. You start with beginner courses like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, then move into practical programs like Google AI Essentials, and finally into career-level certifications. You follow a clear path from basics to real-world skills without guessing what to learn next. Another major difference is certification. With ChatGPT, you do not get any certificate or proof of learning. With Coursera, you earn certificates from companies like Google or IBM that you can add to your resume and LinkedIn. That matters if your goal is getting a job or advancing your career. Now here is the most important insight. It is not Coursera or ChatGPT. The best approach is actually using both together. Use ChatGPT to understand concepts faster, get explanations, and solve problems. Use Coursera to follow a structured path, complete projects, and earn recognized certificates. That combination is what gives you both speed and direction. And since a full AI learning path includes multiple courses, many learners use Coursera Plus to access everything in one subscription instead of paying separately. If you want to follow a structured AI path and check if a discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus.